In this video, I'll show you how to create a recurring invoice in Xero. First, open your web browser and sign into your Xero account. From the main dashboard, go to the business menu and select Invoices. Next, open the Repeating or Recurring tab, depending on your version of Xero. Click New Repeating Invoice to create a new recurring invoice template. Now, select the customer you want to bill and enter the invoice details. Add the products or services, quantities, prices, taxes, payment terms, and any notes you want to include. After that, configure the recurring schedule. Choose how often the invoice should be sent, such as weekly, monthly, or annually. Set the start date, optional end date, and specify whether the invoice should be saved as a draft or automatically approved each time it's generated. Next, review all the details to make sure the schedule and invoice information are correct. If you're using automatic approval, verify everything carefully before activating the recurring invoice. Finally, click Save to activate the recurring invoice. Xero will automatically generate new invoices based on the schedule you've selected, helping you bill your customers on time without creating each invoice manually. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a recurring invoice in Xero. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.